Have you ever wondered what jobs will look like in a future dominated by artificial intelligence? Well, you're about to find out. We stand on the brink of a technological revolution, one that will fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and relate to one another. In its scale, scope, and complexity, the transformation will be unlike anything humankind has experienced before. We do not yet know just how it will unfold, but one thing is clear: our response to it must be integrated and comprehensive, involving all stakeholders of the global polity. Today we'll be exploring 15 job roles of the future, roles that will thrive in the era of AI. From AI and machine learning engineers to remote work facilitators, we'll delve into each role, understanding what it entails and why it will be in high demand in a world intertwined with artificial intelligence. So, without further ado, let's dive into the future. First on our list is the AI machine learning engineer. These tech wizards create and implement machine learning models, blending data interpretation with software development. Their work unlocks the potential of data, transforming raw information into insights that can drive decision-making. A blend of computer science, data modeling, and algorithm development, their role is crucial in shaping our AI-driven future. From personalized online experiences to predictive analytics in medicine, their work permeates every corner of society. As AI continues to evolve, these engineers will be at the forefront of technological breakthroughs. Next, we have data scientists and data analysts. These are the folks who interpret the vast amount of digital data generated every day. They weave through complex data sets, drawing meaningful insights that can help shape the strategies of businesses, governments, and organizations. Their ability to make sense of data, trends, and patterns is akin to deciphering a complex code. In an era dominated by artificial intelligence, their skills will be crucial in making informed business decisions. In an AI-driven world, their role in making informed business decisions will be invaluable. Before we move on to our next role, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of data science. Over the years, data science has permeated virtually every industry, from healthcare to finance, from retail to energy. Their role? To harness the power of data, transforming it into actionable insights that drive strategic decision-making. Data science is the backbone of artificial intelligence. As we move towards a more AI-driven world, data will continue to be the fuel that powers our digital engines. But it's the data scientists who will be the conductors, orchestrating this data symphony and shaping our future. Data science is not just a job, it's an art, it's a science. It's the magic that turns raw numbers into a meaningful narrative. And as we continue to produce data at an unprecedented rate, the role of data scientists will become even more critical. So, if you're someone who loves to solve complex problems, has a passion for numbers, and a knack for storytelling, data science might just be the field for you. Before we move on to our third role, let's take a brief detour and look at a real-world example of how data analysis can drive business success. Take the case of Netflix, the global streaming giant. Netflix heavily relies on data analysis to understand viewer preferences, engagement patterns, and even to predict future trends. This data-driven approach helps them to create personalized recommendations, enhancing user experience. They even use data to make decisions about which shows to produce and which ones to cancel. By analyzing data, they've been successful in creating highly popular, critically acclaimed content. This case study clearly shows the power of data analysis. The ability to turn raw data into actionable insights is not just a skill, it's a superpower that can drive business success and shape our digital future. Third on our list is the Cybersecurity Analyst. In the digital age, our world is more connected than ever, and with that comes the risk of cyber threats. Cybersecurity analysts are the guardians of data, the protectors of systems, the ones who stand between us and the cyber criminals. They use their skills to identify vulnerabilities, respond to cyber threats, and ensure the safety of our digital lives. As technology advances, so does cybercrime, making this role more crucial than ever. Next up is the Robotics Engineer. These innovative thinkers are responsible for designing, testing, and implementing robots that are used in a variety of fields. They work tirelessly to ensure that these mechanical marvels function effectively and safely. They also troubleshoot any issues that may arise, ensuring that these machines are reliable and efficient. Robotics engineers are crucial in an era where automation is becoming increasingly prevalent. As robotics become more integrated into our lives, these engineers will be in high demand. Now let's talk about human-AI interaction designers. These are the creative minds that bridge the gap between humans and artificial intelligence. They design intuitive interfaces that make AI systems more user-friendly. Imagine a world where communicating with AI is as natural as chatting with a friend. That's the world these designers are building. They're shaping the future by making AI technology more accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise. Their work will make AI more accessible and user-friendly. Let's not forget about AR and VR developers. These creative minds are at the forefront of crafting immersive experiences, transforming the way we interact with digital content. Imagine walking through a simulated city or touching virtual objects with your bare hands. That's the magic of augmented and virtual reality. It's not just gaming, it's in education, healthcare, and even real estate. As these technologies become more mainstream, the demand for these developers will soar. Next, we have the Renewable Energy Engineer. These brilliant minds are the architects of a sustainable future, harnessing the boundless power of the sun, wind, and water to fuel our world. Their work is pivotal in the design, construction, and optimization of renewable energy systems, and they are the driving force behind innovative solutions like solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric facilities. As we strive for a greener planet, their role will become increasingly important. Coming up next is the Healthcare Data Analyst. In the intricate world of healthcare, these analysts are the interpreters of complex data. They make sense of vast amounts of medical and patient information, translating it into actionable insights to improve patient care. They identify trends, evaluate treatments, and help healthcare providers make informed decisions. With the rise of AI in healthcare, their ability to navigate this sea of data and draw meaningful conclusions will be highly sought after. Let's move on to the sustainability consultant. As the guardians of our planet's future, these professionals advise companies on how to adopt greener, more sustainable practices. They help businesses minimize their carbon footprint, optimize resource usage, and comply with environmental regulations. Their role is pivotal in driving the transition towards a more sustainable economy. They are the architects of corporate responsibility, ensuring that businesses not only thrive, but also respect and nurture the environment. As businesses aim to be more eco-friendly, these consultants will be in high demand. Next on our list is the digital marketing specialist with an AI emphasis. These specialists harness the power of artificial intelligence to tailor marketing strategies. They utilize AI to analyze consumer behavior, preferences, and trends, refining marketing campaigns for maximum impact. AI also helps in personalizing customer experiences, making marketing efforts more effective. They're the maestros who orchestrate the symphony of data and technology to create harmonious marketing strategies. As marketing becomes more data-driven, these specialists will lead the way. Now let's discuss the ethical AI specialist. In the future, as AI technologies become more pervasive, the role of the ethical AI specialist will be paramount. These specialists will be the guardians of ethical practice, ensuring AI technologies are used responsibly and maintain human dignity. They will navigate the complex landscape of AI ethics, addressing issues of privacy, bias, transparency, and accountability. Building and preserving trust in AI will be their main objective. Their role will be crucial in maintaining trust in AI. Next, we have the urban planner focused on smart cities. These professionals are the architects of the future, designing cities that are not only functional, but also sustainable. They harness the power of technology to create efficient systems for transportation, energy usage, waste management, and more. Think of smart homes, but on a city scale. By integrating artificial intelligence and data analytics, they're able to make informed decisions that will shape the cities of tomorrow. As urban populations grow, their expertise will be essential. Let's move on to the genetic counselor with AI integration. These professionals will use AI as a tool to analyze genetic data, helping to predict, diagnose, and treat genetic disorders. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, they'll be able to decode complex genetic information more accurately and quickly. This will enable personalized and precise healthcare, tailored to an individual's unique genetic makeup. With advances in genomics and AI, their role will become increasingly significant. Last but not least, we have the remote work facilitator manager. As the world shifts towards a more digital workspace, these managers are the unsung heroes keeping everything running smoothly. They ensure that teams stay connected, productive, and motivated despite the physical distance. Their role extends from coordinating digital tools to fostering a healthy work culture, all while navigating time zones. With the rise of remote work, these facilitators will be more important than ever. And there you have it, 15 future job roles in the era of AI. From engineers harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and machine learning, to data scientists and analysts making sense of the vast digital universe. Cybersecurity Analysts ensuring our virtual world remains safe, and Robotics Engineers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've explored the roles of human-AI interaction designers, Arkansas and VR developers, all of whom are shaping our digital experiences. We've delved into the future of sustainable energy and healthcare data analysis, and the vital role of sustainability consultants. We've also looked at the evolution of digital marketing, the ethical considerations of AI, and the future of urban planning. We've touched on the emerging field of genetic counseling with AI integration, and the essential role of remote work facilitators and managers. The future of jobs in the AI era is exciting and full of opportunities, so, are you ready for the future?